Ron Kuhlman has been in the logging business for more than 30 years. He understands what it takes to produce quality logs.
It's hard to make a perfect log, especially with crooked trees and whatnot, but you do the best you can. And so at the end of the season, you just add up the totals and see where everybody's at, and the one that had the best percentage of perfect logs is the one that's going to get the prize.
But Kuhlman knows there is more at stake than just a plaque. Being a good logger leads to job security. In 2004, Kuhlman was retained by Forest Capital LLC when it bought timberland from Crown Pacific.
Our jobs counted on being the best, and so we had to strive to be the best. The crew gets the credit.
A logging contractor is hired to cut trees in a timber sale, remove the tops, delimb the logs, and load them onto a logging truck for transport to a nearby sawmill. Professional foresters mark trees for cutting prior to the logging project, so loggers know what trees to cut and which ones to leave for wildlife.
We've done that for enough years. We know you can only get so many feet to a stream. They're ribboned out, so we don't have to worry about getting too close to the water. But the same way, if it's too wet, we don't want to be rutting up skid trails where they're going to wash.
His crew uses feller bunchers to cut trees and log processors to remove the limbs and prepare the logs for loading into log trucks.
We usually would move 3 million board feet a year, and by doing it by hand, which is quite a bit for just a 3-man crew, but we move twice that much now. Same crew with mechanical equipment.
Kuhlman credits his crew for his longevity in the logging industry.
This crew has been with me since about 1986. My brother that runs the loader now has been with me since 1978, and so they're the key to my success.
Loggers take pride in their work, and doing a good job pays dividends in the long run, Kuhlman says.
The loggers in Idaho they're all professional people. They have to be the top of their game to be able to make a living.
Kuhlman hopes that more young people will get into the logging profession.
We need new people coming in. It's a great business to be in. It's fun to be outside, and we need more young people to get into it. There's a lot of opportunities out there for them to do that. Wages are really good. I pay my employees about $22 an hour, my foreman a little bit more than that. There's opportunities out there to get the training. There's simulators that you can learn on, and once a person could get out into the woods to run a piece of equipment, especially farm kids or anybody with a ability to run equipment, it'd just be a natural